Hello and welcome to my latest Ecovaganza video. Today I want to show you green gloss. There are use cases where the application of foil can't be avoided. Think of books which you use all day on the beach, or binders which you take out of the shelf very often. We tried before to replace lamination foil with biodegradable alternatives like cornstarch or potato starch, but these were easy to stretch and wrinkled and therefore were not usable for foil lamination. I remember that the well-known German cookie brand Balsen uses biodegradable foil for their packaging based on wood cellulose. We tried that kind of foil and it really worked well for foil lamination. Actually, there are three kinds of biodegradable foils available: metallic, matte and gloss. The foil will biodegrade within 15 to 30 weeks on the compost or in the ocean when it's in contact with microbes. When you apply silver foil to a packaging, you would usually overprint that with UV offset, which itself is not really sustainable. In the project, we applied conventional offset inks, which are used in the in-mold label production. In-mold labels are, for example, used for yogurt containers, which are stretched in the production process. If you use 4C design with offset printing like we did here, the offset print will not be opaque, and therefore the silver will shine through. When the shining through silver doesn't fit to your design, maybe the application of a white print is needed. In our case, the gloss lamination is applied partially, which only works in the working direction of the lamination machine. If you want to have more information about the project or order a sample box, please visit our website ecovaganza.com. In the next video I will show you another Ecovaganza technique. Thanks for watching.